If you've ever tried to strap something down in the bed of your Toyota, only to have the hook slip out, you know how aggravating that can be. The Reverie 4x4 drop-in tie-downs are designed to orient your strap hook to keep it in place, so tying down any load by yourself is super easy. Installation into your factory Toyota rail can be done in 3 easy steps. First, orient both T-nuts so they're parallel with the bed rail. Second, insert the T-nuts all the way into the bed rail. Third, tighten the T-nuts using a 1/4-inch Allen wrench. As you tighten each screw, the T-nuts will rotate 90 degrees until it contacts the top and bottom faces inside your bed rail, allowing you to quickly add a robust anchor point anywhere along your factory bed rail. Stop wasting your time trying to keep your hook in place and save yourself further frustration. Click the link below and buy yourself a pair of our drop-in tie-downs today.